Hey guys, welcome to the second beginning Java tutorial, and today we will be installing the JDK. And JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and it contains all the necessary tools that are needed for writing, compiling and running Java applications. So to download this, open your favorite search engine and search for Java JDK and click the first link from Oracle that says Java SE downloads, and then click this link that is Java Platform JDK. And now head over to the latest Java SE development kit, which in this case is the second one. Click accept license agreement and choose the JDK for your system. So if you don't know which type of operating system you're running, go to system properties and view under system type, and in this case it is 64-bit operating system. So we will click this one. So click the one for you and download the JDK, and I have already downloaded the file, so it's under my downloads folder, and I'll click this one. Click next, and it will install the software. Will take some time, and so the previous install was for JDK, and now this window right here is for installing JRE, and that is Java Runtime Environment, and this is the tool that helps to run Java programs. Click next, and you will get the message 3 billion devices run Java, and it's also the #1 development platform. So the installation is completed, and we'll close the widget. So now press Windows and R and type cmd. That will open up the command prompt, and type JAVAC. So in your case, while you type JVAC, it might not show you all these things. So it is because we haven't configured Java compiler path. So to do so, open up program files and head on to the folder in which Java is installed and look for the latest JDK, and which is JDK 1.8.0, this one which we just installed, and go to bin and then copy this address, copy, and now go on to system properties, click on advanced system settings and choose environment variables under this advanced tab. And now we need to create a new environment variable. So I'm going to delete my existing one and click new and then type path and paste the address which we just copied. Click OK, OK, and OK. And if you again go to command prompt and type java c, and previously if it didn't show anything, now this time it will show you all these cool stuffs. So with this we have configured Java and JDK is installed in our system. Now we can write and compile Java programs.